Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to enable dual SIM now. First, open Settings Connections SIM Manager and tap Add Mobile Plan to scan your eSIM QR or import carrier profile. Insert the physical nano-SIM into the tray and make sure airplane mode is off so both lines register. Once added, name each line for clarity and set a default for calls or data. This step makes later routing simple. It lets your phone treat two plans independently, while keeping one number for voice and another for data. Next, configure how the phone uses each SIM. Go to SIM Manager and choose which line handles mobile data. You can switch instantly from quick settings. For calls, pick a preferred SIM or choose per call by tapping the SIM icon in the dialer. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled per carrier for better reception, and set call forwarding rules if you want one line to forward when busy. Also, assign a default SMS SIM, and optionally select a SIM per contact to avoid fumbling during calls. Finally, validate the setup. Make a test call, send an SMS, and browse with mobile data on each line. Once done, ensure notifications and voicemail are working for both. If one SIM doesn't register, restart the phone, reseat the SIM tray, and confirm carrier APN settings. Sometimes toggling the line off and on in SIM Manager fixes it. If problems persist, reset network settings, but make sure you've recorded Wi-Fi credentials first. This completes a stable dual SIM configuration on your S22 Ultra.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.